Hi, I'm Bob. I will briefly talk about how to solve the problem set 3. For the first question, capital is constant in the short run, so labor can be written as a function of quantity. For the second question, capital is constant and the price of capital is also constant, so the cost of capital is a constant. The total cost is the sum of two parts, and the first part is a constant, that is the cost of capital. For the third question, to find the marginal cost, we take the derivative of the total cost with respect to quantity. If the function is invertible, the marginal cost can be written as the cost of labor divided by marginal product of labor. For the fourth question, we can write marginal cost as a function of quantity. Then we can tell that holding capital and quantity constant, the marginal cost increases with the labor cost, the wages. Number 6. There are multiple ways to solve this question. A simple way is to take the log on both sides and then use the elasticity's definition to get the result. Number 7. We can write marginal revenue as a function of price and the price elasticity of demand, epsilon. In number 8, we find the assumption about the own price elasticity of demand, epsilon, to ensure the marginal revenue is positive. We find that when the demand is very elastic, the marginal revenue is positive. For question 9, we have the expression for the marginal revenue, which is a function of price and the price elasticity of demand. This expression is true for all types of firms, no matter it's competitive or monopoly. When it's competitive, we know that the marginal revenue is equal to the market price. Therefore, it must be the case that for a competitive firm, the price elasticity of demand epsilon approaches negative infinity. For question 11, since we don't need to find the optimal point of Q, I just draw the graphs to show that it's possible to find a profit maximum in the case when the firm is competitive, and another case when the firm is monopoly. For the last question, we have the expression for marginal cost, which is a function of quantity. And we also know that for a perfectly competitive firm, the marginal revenue is equal to the market price. To find how the optimal point of quantity is related to market price and labor cost, we could take the first derivative of the quantity with respect to P and W respectively. And finally, we find that holding other factors constant, the optimal quantity increases with market price and decreases with labor cost.